Well, this is not fun. When your windshield wipers look like this, and they're not doing very good for you because they're full of ice. This isn't fun driving. Every time I wipe my windshield, it just gets blurrier. Because my windshield wipers are freezing up again. Ah, geez, here comes somebody. Hard to stay on the road because you don't know where the edge of the road is. Let's see. Down here, I don't want to go down any big hills either because I'll end up sliding down the hills. All part of the job, I guess. There we go. My windshield wipers are working a little bit better now. I can see they're caked full of ice. Not fun in snowstorms at all. Alright, as I come up to a stop here, I'm going to try and clean my wiper off so I can at least see somewhat. Let me see here. Oh yeah, there goes all that ice. For now, I'll go down the road here a little bit and it'll just get ice back up again. But at least I can see for now. Boy, what a mess. What a hard way to make a living. This is the main road, Route 67, and it still looks like crap. Not much I can do. At least I cleaned my wipers off, though I can somewhat see for now. Okay, turning off of 67 onto Cranes Hollow Road. I'm not expecting this road to be the best, but I'm just trying to remember because you never really think about what hills are on this part of the road until there's a snowstorm. And when there's a snowstorm, now you're trying to think, okay, is there any steep hills in this part? Because I don't want to put any brakes on. Like right here, I don't want to put a brake on and slide. So I'm going to let my engine brake just kind of glide me through a little bit here. And that did very nicely, actually, down that hill. So that worked. And we're going to get to our location up here to fill this customer's tank. Okay, we made it. Can't really see the driveway very well, but I'm going to get through it. I'm sure we'll figure it out. See what I mean? You can barely see where the edges of the driveway are. At least you can see my tracks now coming in. But I made it.